We're here to show how easy it is to install an ion micro switch into a slider vinyl window and a hung vinyl window. On a slider window, the first thing we do is locate a spot near the top of the window frame, and using a 3/4 inch Forstner bit, we drill a hole into the frame only going through the first layer. As vinyl windows are hollow, there's no danger of water getting into the home, and never drill through the entire window frame, as this may void the window warranty. GE sensors are learned into the system when the battery is inserted and a tamper signal is sent out, so you'll want to do this before installing it. Press the back onto the Micra and insert the antenna into the hollow of the window frame, keeping the antenna as straight as possible and firmly press into place. Never cut or roll up the antenna, as this will greatly degrade the effectiveness of the sensor. Now we line up where the magnet will go opposite the Micra, removing the backing and firmly pressing it into place on the window sash. The Micra has a slight oval shape, as does the magnet, and you want to make sure that these shapes line up. Here's a cross-section of a typical vinyl window frame that shows the hollows in the frame section. The Micra is specifically designed to be concealed within the frame, and by only drilling through one layer, there's no way water can get into the home. On a hung window, we select a spot on the sill and again drill a hole using a 3/4 inch Forstner bit. We drill into the window frame only going through the first layer. Again, there's no danger of water getting into the home, as we only drill through the first layer. Insert the battery into the Micra and press the back into place. Now insert the antenna into the hollow of the window, and keeping the antenna as straight as possible, firmly press the Micra into place. Now we line up where the magnet will go opposite the Micra. Remove the backing and firmly press into place on the sash. And that's it. The installation is complete. The window is secured and there's no bulky sensor showing or interfering with blinds or drapes.